few of the advantages that we like to discuss when we're talking about advantages of automated storage and retrieval. We truly believe this is the way of the future. We think it will eventually take over the market from a dry storage standpoint. It has so many advantages, and the whole thrust of what we do is to make sure the owner or developer of the marina can get the highest and best use of his return on investment. That's where we like to start. We're well positioned in the marketplace since we do construction and automation. We're able to give customers a price for their construction and automation, but also we develop spreadsheets. If we work with that customer to understand their market and understand their rent rates. And so we create a spreadsheet, developer spreadsheet for them that we can quickly get to a go or no-go decision for that owner. What our goal is to bring in this automation and construction type to them is, can it make them more money? Originally, when we started doing dry storage, it was without the automation. The first thing a developer or an owner of a marina property wants to know is, if I'm going to spend X, can I make a return on that investment? And that's the first place we like to get to with an owner is, can this thing make you money, and is it worth doing from a financial standpoint? If we can get to that point, then we continue the conversation with that owner and make sure we're not wasting his time or our time.